So in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the keyboard on your Toshiba 32WA2363DG. To do it, go to the settings, then go to device preferences, and now you'll find keyboard. If you go to keyboard, go to current keyboard, you can see I have just one. So if you want to have more, you'll need to download more. Let's go to Google Play Store. And now if you know a name of a keyboard that's available for Google TV, you can search for that. I don't really know any keyboards, so I'll just search for like just search for keyboard, right? Okay, let's start searching for it. Okay, I think I already have some. Let's select this one, for example. I've tested it before, it works. Let's wait until it gets downloaded. Now installed, and then we can go to the settings again. So let's go to the home, let's go to settings. Now we can go to keyboards in device preferences. Let's go to keyboard. Now manage keyboards. Enable the keyboard that you have downloaded. Go back and go to current keyboard. Then you can set it to the one that you want. And now you can see it works. If I go to any search in, for example, the Google Play Store, then this keyboard will pop up. And that will be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.